Recon Man, back with another repair video. The steering wheel and seat. On this one, GMC Sierra 1500. We got us another 1500 over here. GMC ATF 4 HD. Seat looks good. Steering wheel, not so much. Let's get them fixed up. We got it prepped up with some 200 grit sandpaper. Get it cleaned up and prepped with our prep saw and then sprayed. Seat doesn't need dyed or sanded, it just needs cleaned. Actually, there's a couple little spots right here that a little sanding will help. When there's super fine scratches, the dye will usually cover them. Gotta be careful, stay off the threads when you're using sandpaper. Alright, that one's ready for cleaning. Got this one all sanded up. She's ready for cleaning and prep saw and then spray. Back with the finished products. Seat turned out good. Steering wheel turned out very good as well. Give you guys a good view here. That's where all the heavy wear was, right there on top. She's looking pretty good. Now let's check out the newer Sierra. And turned out good as well. Where the heavy wear was at, it's not perfect. Can't make it perfect, it's too thin. You can get it sanded so the dye will stick and get some color on it so that it looks better, more appealing to the customer. That wraps these two vehicles up. Catch you on the next one. Later.